Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fade in and fade out text on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to basically put this default text on here. You can type in anything. I'll just do it like this, and I'm just going to change the font here. So to fade it in and fade it out, select it, go to animation here, and on the in animation you're just going to add the fade in effect, which is here. Then you can also adjust the duration here as well, and then on the out animation just select the fade out one. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.